Controls and indicators for the pressurization system are located on the pressurization panel. The pressurization system controls the cabin altitude in any one of 4 modes: auto, standby, manual AC, and manual DC. The pilot selects the mode with the mode selector. In auto mode, airplane pressurization is controlled automatically. Auto mode is the normal mode of operation and uses an AC motor to drive the main outflow valve open and closed. Now touch the mode selector to select standby mode. In standby mode, airplane pressurization is partially automatic. Standby mode is used in the event of auto mode failure and uses a DC motor to drive the main outflow valve open and closed. Now touch the mode selector to select manual AC. Manual AC mode is a manual backup in case auto and standby modes both fail. Manual AC mode uses an AC motor to drive the main outflow valve. Manual DC mode functions the same way as manual AC, except it uses a DC motor to drive the outflow valve. The DC motor moves the outflow valve about half as fast as the AC motor. Now touch the mode selector to select auto mode.